This is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show how you can prevent and fix overheating issues on this device. At the beginning, let's talk about how to prevent those problems. So first, if possible, try to restrain yourself from fast charging this phone, even though it supports and offers such capabilities, since in the majority of cases, the root cause of the overheating is laying within battery. And even better, you can simply switch off the fast charging option on this phone by going into your device settings, device and battery care category, here it is, then battery once again, go into the charging settings and switch off the fast charging. Then also try to make sure that you do not leave your phone laying around outdoors affected by the direct sunlight. If the overheating already occurred and you are curious on how to fix it, the best you can do is once again go into the battery category of settings and switch off the power saving mode. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.